welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be cooking chicken foot soup. It's cold outside, and so to get warm and fuzzy inside, I'm going to go ahead and try to cook this soup for you, show you how it is and what it's about. So you're going to get your chicken feet, and I know sometimes you go to the store and you're like, oh my god, what do they do with those? Well, guess what? In my culture, we cook soup, so that's what I'm going to be doing with it today. So I get my feet, here they are. Then you're going to cut off the nails, the toenails, because nobody wants to eat those, right? You can't really eat them anyway. So I'm going to cut off the toenails, and I'm going to start the prepping. So once I do the prepping and everything else, your basic ingredients are the chicken feet. So you get those at the store. Then you want to go ahead and we get what we call a pumpkin. It's almost like a squash. So I'm going to get the pumpkin out of the refrigerator. Okay. There we go. So I got two. What do they call it here? They say it's from Costa Rica. It looks like a squash, but I got two of those. So if it was a full one, I'd say you get a half of one. Hold on, I'm having difficulty grabbing it from out the fridge. Okay, so you're gonna get your pumpkin, you're gonna get your chicken feet, you're going to make sure you go ahead and you clean up your chicken, you cut off the toenails like I said, and then you're going to get your pumpkin, and hang on, I'll show you some other ingredients. I'm getting them as we speak because I just decided to do this on the fly. You know how we do. I was sitting on the couch and I was like, soup would be good for today. You know how sometimes you're not sure what to cook for dinner, and so you're like, all right, I did get some ingredients. Let me see. All right, and so then you're gonna get, I get two of these. These are from Grace, so they're they flavor the chicken. Okay, they flavor the soup. So it's Grace soup, and so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna prep, and then I'll show you how I do when I do what I do. All right, hang on, stay tuned. So you're going to put a pot of water. Depends on how much soup you'd like. So I used a half of pumpkin, so that's the pumpkin right there. And then we're going to use onions and thyme and a pepper. You can use green onions as well, but today I don't have green onions, so I'm just going to go ahead and just use regular onion, okay? So that's my pumpkin, that's my scallion and my thyme. So as the water comes to a boil, you're going to put your thyme in. And there was salt in the water as well, salt to taste. Put my onions in. Yes, 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 I just can't wait for this soup. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my pumpkins in, okay? Yes, put it with the skin on and everything. Just cut it up into a nice chunky size because we're going to let them come to a boil again, and they're going to cook until they're really soft and get all mushy. This is what gives the soup body. For me, I don't like a runny soup. I like a soup with a little bit of body. So you put that in, and you have that cook, and then we're going to go ahead and throw in our chicken. And this also gives the soup a little bit of gelatinous taste. It's so good. I really love it. Love me some chicken soup. All right. So those are in, and yes, 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 I know you're wondering what I do with the peppers, right? Okay, so now guess what? The peppers are going to come towards the end of the soup. You don't want to put them in now. You can put them in towards the end of the soup, and I'll show you when the soup is almost ready. So then you're going to cook this until your chicken feet are nice and tender, and then all of your nice and tender, and all your potatoes, your pumpkins, all your pumpkins are mushed out, or mushy, soft and mushy. So let's give it a little bit of a swirl here. And we're gonna let that cook. I know, now it looks like nothing, but trust me when I tell you. When I tell you. Now, I did talk about these packets of Grace flavored soup things. Now they're going to come towards the end of the soup as well. So what happens is we're just trying to make the feet cook well and the pumpkins cook out and do its thing. So all right, so that's the start of something fuzzy inside. Look at it, folks. I'm just loving it. All right, so I'll be back. So the ingredients in here is your pot of water, about a quart of it, your pumpkins cut up nice chunk size, and your onions. You can also use green onions as well. I didn't have green onions, so I improvised. I went ahead and I put my thyme in as well, and we're going to make the feet cook, and as they cook and the pumpkins cook and it gets all mushy, I will come back and I'll show you where we are at. Okay? All right, stay tuned. See how that pumpkin is getting into flow, giving the soup some color, giving it a little bit of body. When I say body, I mean thick, a little bit of thickness. I don't like it too runny. And then so this is halfway through, guys. All right, look what's coming next. Ta-da! It had a piece of onion on it. Don't get crazy. I know you guys look at everything. So we added that in. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in some potatoes. Yeah, we like our soup with a lot of, well, we say food. In Jamaica, we say food. We like food in our soup. Piece of corn. So today it's only going to be potatoes and corn. I don't want it too heavy. Okay. And now I'm shaking it. Shake it, don't break it. For me, I like 2 packs of it. 2 packs in my soup. Alright, so we add that and give it a whirl. And I'll come back and show you the final product. Okay, and like I say, you go ahead and you taste it. You see if it needs more salt, if it needs more Maggi. That's what we call that thing. I call it Maggi chicken soup. The little flavor thing that I just put in there. But the correct thing, they say it's a flavored soup mix. So we go ahead and we throw that in there, baby. And we're going to let everything else continue to cook up. And I'll show you the final product. Yum. Okay, so I've tasted it. It tastes good. Just had to add a little bit more salt, so I'm good to go. Now, this is the part of the soup where we decide, yes, I did add the other pepper, if we should open the pepper up. So the soup will be nice and spicy. So in my country, we call it bust the pepper. So this is one of the reasons why you didn't want to put the pepper in first when you started the cooking process, because you don't want it to pop open on you if you don't like spicy. So I'm gonna go in for the kill. We like it spicy, so me I gotta boss it. I'm by myself, so bear with me. Yep, I've cut it open. Pot spinning and all, because I have a flat top. Alright, so I'm gonna boss it, baby. So I'm gonna boss it. Okay. Enjoy your soup, guys. Ready to be served. Yum. Alright, soup is served. Soup's up. They say surf's up, soup's up. So have my chicken foot right there. You can see a little bit of it coming up at the top there at the corn. Some potatoes. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this. You can literally see the smoke coming off of it, guys. I'm telling you, I opened up the pepper and oh, that heat on it, love it. And don't forget, we say boss it, baby, in Jamaica. So we boss the pepper. And there it is. Gelatinous. I took 3 of them. 3 of these bad boys. Okay. All right. So the highlight. My chicken foot. Delish. Absolutely delish. Now that's what I'm talking about. When it's cold outside, this is what we do. Yeah. Yes, I chew on the bone. No, I don't swallow the bone. Just chew on it. That's where the good up is. On the inside. Love, love, love. I wish you guys could taste it, but you can't. So don't worry. I have a bowl for you. Now, thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification button. Thank you for rolling with Jay. Until next time. Bye.